Hey, what's up, you guys? This is MCLegoboy here with Frostbite and what was that? I don't remember. Okay, I've got a paper. Here we go. Doom. We already did Eruption. Already reviewed mails from the host sub. Here we are. Frostbite and the Blizzard Glider. Alright. So, hey, this is MCLegoboy here with Frostbite and the Blizzard Glider. Much better. Alright. Frostbite is, I think, well, he's related to Yeti somehow. I don't remember. Basically the same helmet and face, because it is. He's got two cross-ion pistols, I think. He also uses a Lego Life on Mars torso. And then black gray arms and legs and black hips and hands. So we'll bother trying to put him into his vehicle because we can a lot easier this time. So anyway, here is the Blizzard Glider. That's, I think, a laser. Those two I know are lasers, and it's partly not in frame. So I think that's a laser, and I know those two are lasers. Maybe that's something else. I don't know. I don't remember. I mean, like, I think I made this about 2 years ago. So don't expect nothing from me. Yeah. On the bottom, we got these hover pieces. I know I have one around here somewhere. Here it is. Yeah, see. It's one of those pieces, only in light gray. I don't know what they're called. I just call them hover discs. And you put that there, and they stick out far enough to where, if you do it right, you can take the clear bricks off without taking anything else apart. Ow. And it actually kind of glides. Anyway, movable windscreen. I think this is from a Naboo starfighter. Thank you, Hurt family. For your many Legos. Anyway, here we got a control panel. Always need a control panel. Seat. Actually, I think I might want to keep this one together. This is a pretty cool looking ship. And then here's the engine block. It's just a gihungus and block of greebles and whatnot. And it just makes the thing look cool. There's a little bit of non-symmetrical design. Very slight, though. Not really worth mentioning, but, you know, fun fact for people that care. I hope you do care, or else you wouldn't be watching this video. Important question. Anyway, and then he's got 6 little propellers. That way he's able to propel himself rather than just hover. Let's throw him into the ship. Basically it goes like that. Classic Lego thing where his hands can't ever reach the control panels. And even these things, he can't even reach for controls. You know, it's just my building style. My building style is kind of similar to that of Lego's. I like to use Lego's style of building to where everything's kind of neat. There's no sort of weird clip attachment like that. You see that a ton on mock pages where people clip pieces together like that, and it always kind of bothers me. I've been known to do some of it, but I'm not a big person to use that type of method. I'm more of a builder that basically makes it to where if this were thrown onto a computer, there wouldn't be some sort of overlapping of pieces that aren't supposed to be able to stick together in certain ways, and I don't know, it's hard to explain. So I'll just stop trying to explain it and just get on with the review. The windscreen doesn't quite cover him completely, but it works and just keeps the wind out of his face. That's all it's supposed to do. That's really about it. Man, I'm loving the greebles on this thing. I think I added that there in case I wanted to have some sort of an attachment. Like, I don't know. Sorry, I blinked out. Whoa. It's probably all the sugar cookies I've been eating. My birthday was recently, so, you know. I got, not sugar cookies, I got snickerdoodles. They're some of the best cookies ever. If you agree with me, post a comment saying that. Anyway. One last thing to mention, and this review is probably over, and I'm not going to bother trying to take him out of the ship. So, his cross-ion pistols, I think that's what I'm calling them, kind of like crossbow, kind of, yeah. Anyway, they attach onto the vehicle, and then they actually become part of the weapon system. So, yes. Well, anyway, this has been MCLegoboy with Frostbite and Blizzard Glider. See you guys.